No, no, thank you. Oh, no, thank you.
Okay, here's some toys. Let's see what they got here. Toys. Football. Football. Some tools. Wow, look at this car. Is that a remote control car? God, that's a big... Yeah, that's a cool one too, huh? Yeah, there's a monster truck, yeah. A dump monster truck, yeah. Kind of is.
Monster truck.
Yeah, they got a lot of monster trucks. How about this one? That's a monster truck. Is this a monster truck? That's super big. No, I don't think that's a monster truck. And maybe it is. Okay, let's see what else they have. Look, this one got a jet in it. That's cool. What'd you find? Yeah. Likes the monster truck, I think. Appears the monster truck is the winner here. Monster truck, huh?
Monster truck.
It's a pretty big monster truck. You got a remote? Let's see.
Monster truck.
I know, I got monster truck sound. Push the red button, push one of those red buttons.
Monster truck. Wow, monster truck.
You gonna leave it there? Make them all go, huh? How many can you make go? Make them go. Go to the next one. Do a whole bunch of them. No, do a whole bunch of monster trucks. That's pretty cool, huh? They might have. Looks like they got more toys on the other side. Want to go see what other toys they got? Let's go. Make sure you got both your glowworms, okay? Make sure you have your glowworms.
Mom.
I hear them.
Mom.
They're loud like a monster truck, huh?
JJ wants a monster truck.
Oh, JJ wants a monster truck? Maybe Santa? We want Santa to get you one? For Christmas? Yes?
No.
Okay. Hey, Bud, don't forget your glowworms, all right? JJ. Good. Okay. Now let's move on.
Car.
What?
Car.
Oh yeah, one car by itself. Orange car. That's cool looking, huh? All right, let's go. Baby toys. Monster truck. Look at that truck.
Truck. Loud.
That's a giant one, huh? You like that? They're like tools. That'd be fun. Yeah. Got some cool tools in there, huh? Chainsaw.
One more. Gone. Shape.
Yeah?
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush. That's not a
Car.
toothbrush. They're tools.
Tool. Toothbrush. Tool. Toothbrush.
There's no toothbrush in there. Those are like, you know, those are like tools, like big people tools. Except they're clay ones. Not real. I could use a real chainsaw for that tree though. I got in the backyard.
Tool. Push it.
Go ahead.
Push it.
Push it. Uh-oh. This is glow arms. That's just like a monster truck sound, huh?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.